This is Roy from Olivon Investments. You can visit us at olivon.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. Just wanted to take a moment and make a quick video about VWAP. It's the volume weighted average price that a security trades at throughout the day. It's a lot like a moving average, only it weighs how much volume happens over a period of time. It's only used in intraday charts, and like it doesn't change with the time frame. For instance, I can use the 5. See, the VWAP is this white line here. So right now I'm on the 5 minute, and then watch when I move to the 1 minute, we're still at the same price, which differs from the moving averages. See, 1 minute, 15 minute. Here's the hourly here. The VWAP is popular among institutional traders that like to use it as a reference point of where to enter or exit a trade. It's a level of support or resistance. See how it sort of holds above it here, and it sort of has a little bit of trouble getting through it. This probably isn't the best example here. The longer a stock holds above or below the VWAP, the more likely it is to continue in that direction. I'll be talking more about VWAP, and if you guys watch some of my recap videos. Once again, this is Roy from Olivon Investments. Another video I want to look at is my moving averages video, and you guys can see all this at our education portal at our website. It's completely free, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Thank you.